Everybody, it's Cami Songbird here, and I just want to share an encouraging word with whoever may be watching to you out there. I want to let you know that no matter what you're going through at this moment and this time in your life, that knowing that God is with you gives you a reason to smile. So keep smiling through life and stay encouraged, and through it all, just thank God. If you don't have what you need or whatever it is that you want, just start thanking God for it, because when you reverence God and you thank Him in advance, then that's when He shows up for you and He shows out. So just remember that no matter how hard the situation gets, just try not to complain. I know we're human and we may complain, but every day I wake up with that mind and that focus that I will try not to complain. I'll have some good days, and I will have hills to climb. I'll have some weary days, oh, and some sleepless nights. But when I look around and think my life over, all of my good days outweigh my bad days, and I won't complain. Sometimes my clouds hang low, and I can hardly see the road. I'll ask the question, Lord, why so much pain? But when I look around and think my life over, all of my good days outweigh my bad days, and I won't complain. Thank you guys for tuning in, and if you would like to contact me, you can reach me on Twitter at Cami Songbird, and Cami is spelled C-A-M-I, or on Facebook at Cami Songbird. And no matter what, I need you guys to remember to stay blessed.